everyone, today I'm going to show how to fix eBay listing not showing. If your eBay list is not showing, what you can do is firstly check your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. After you turn on airplane mode for a second, you need to turn it off. After you turn it off, tap on your device settings. After you tap on your device settings, what you need to do is scroll down, tap on apps. After you tap on apps, tap on app management. After you tap on management, what you need to do is tap on search and start typing eBay. Tap on eBay. After you tap on eBay, tap on storage usage. Now over here what you need to do is clear cache. After you clear cache, next you can do is updating the app. You can update the app from App Store or Google Play Store. I'm going to update it from Google Play Store. If you have not updated the app, what you need to do is search the app name and tap on update. And still if it doesn't work, what else you can do is reinstall and install the app. Press the eBay app. After you press the eBay app, tap on uninstall and reinstall it from App Store or Google Play Store. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.